Hello everybody, today we're working on the Toyota. We're going to be replacing the PCV valve, and that is located on top of the engine, attached to this hose right on top. And the parts we need is pliers, 10mm deep socket, and a 22mm deep socket. And then these are the parts I got from Rock Auto. This is the PCV valve, and then this is the tubing that goes with it. Alright, let's get to it. So first thing we need is the 10mm deep socket to remove these two. I already loosened it. Okay, the cover comes off. So the PCV valve is right here. Took the pliers and just pushed the clamp right off here, and also the one down here, pliers, and then just push it off top. So then we just pull it out, and this one pulled it out, and this is so old. When I pulled it out, it just didn't make it. Okay, then we take the 22. I already have this loosened, so it fits in perfectly, and then just unscrew it. Comes right off. It's all gunky, has some noise in it. Let's put on the new one. I've seen someone use the plumber's tape to put this on. It doesn't have any thread lock or anything. Let me get plumber's tape on this, alright? Okay, I got plumber's tape. Let's put this on. It goes on this way. Okay, a little bit of that. So a friend was looking at my car and said that there's some black soot in the exhaust, and he suggested to replace the PVC. The part's not even that expensive, maybe $15–20 for the valve, and another $10–15 for the hose. So let's put it back together. So I do need to reuse these clips. Okay. So this one goes down here. And the other one goes in here. Okay, I'm gonna use 2 hands for this. Okay, with the little muscle I was able to push it through with the clip right here, right after the nipple, and down there. That's the best I can do. As long as the clip is after the nipple, it is secure. Okay, put the cover back on and turn the engine on. It should be good. Thanks for watching. Bye.